Hi, this is an affirmation track to help you attract money and luck into your life. Listen to this recording only when you're relaxed and sitting comfortably on a chair or laying on a bed. I would like you to take a deep breath. Inhale deeply from your nose and exhale from your mouth. That's right. Now take another deep breath. Inhale all the air deeply and exhale from your mouth. Take the third deep breath. Inhale deeply from your nose, and as you exhale, let go of all the stress and tension. That's right. And I wonder if you can imagine a golden shimmering light all around you, making you feel warm and nice. You imagine, visualize, or feel sitting inside this lovely golden cocoon. And as you notice that, you open yourself to receive luck and money into your life. This golden cocoon acts like a magnet. I would like you to repeat the affirmations in your mind after me. I am grateful for what I have. I am thankful for all the good things in my life. I am positive. I am open to receive money from the right sources. I attract good luck. I think and feel positive. I am hopeful. I am lucky. I attract good luck and fortune. Good luck and money come to me easily. I am worthy of good life. Life is good. I love and trust the process of life. The more I express gratitude, the more lucky I become. I am naturally lucky. I attract abundance. I enjoy abundant life. I am a luck and money magnet. My life is filled with wealth. I deserve to be abundant. I deserve to make more money. Money comes to me easily. I prosper with every passing day. Money comes to me in expected and unexpected ways. Luck and money flow to me from all directions. I am now going to count from 5 down to 0, and at 0 all these affirmations will be deeply set into your subconscious mind, and they will start to work for your highest good. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. I am now going to leave you here for a few moments, and I wonder if you can continue to imagine yourself sitting inside the golden cocoon, attracting abundance, money, and luck from all sides. I am now going to wake you up from 1 to 5. At 5, you will be fully awake, feeling great about yourself, worthy, wealthy, lucky, and abundant. So start coming up with 1, higher up with 2, further up with 3, all your mental, emotional, physical, spiritual bodies aligned at 4. At 5, eyes open, wide awake.
This is the end of this session. Please like, share, and subscribe if you like this type of content. If you need more help on your law of attraction journey, please check my website for coaching. You can also get my short, straight to the point ebook on how to manifest for any level. Thank you for listening, and see you very soon.